Woo. Hey guys, how's it going? Raining today, really nice day. I had my hair gelled, but it got ungelled. I really need to shave again. It's Christmas Eve here in Japan, and everyone's doing all kinds of shopping here. This is Main City behind me. It's one of the big malls, and it happens to be one of the closest ones to our house. I'm gonna take you inside and just show you what a Japanese mall or Okinawan mall looks like on Christmas Eve. It's not as packed as you might think, but we'll see what they have. I have a bag like this. These are really popular. Most of the men in Japan actually carry one of these shoulder bags, and these are really nice. I've been wanting a new one. I've had mine since pretty much since I got here. Maybe February or something I got it, and they're super helpful. I totally understand why women wear purses or carry purses. They actually have an Okinawan one with the Okinawa Misa, and these are all made for Okinawa. I actually really like this wallet here. It's really nice. It has the Misa, both sides. What does it say? That's just a brand. Interesting. What I've noticed about all the malls in Japan is that pretty much every mall has at least these 4 things. A 100-yen shop, an arcade, an electronics store, and a grocery store. They also have all the typical stuff you'd expect to find in an American mall as well, such as a food court, a bunch of little stores and shops, name brand clothing, a fancy furniture store, more clothing, jewelry store, a purse store, shoe store, and a store like Hot Topic, and I might actually do a video on this store one day called Village Vanguard. Maybe more like Spencer's. I'm not entirely sure what the difference is between this store, Spencer's, well, Spencer's and Hot Topic, but this is sort of like a Japanese version of one of those stores. Oh, and also a Starbucks. You know, I've always wondered why malls in Japan seem to be thriving. They are all over the place, and American malls are dying. And then I went to a Japanese mall, and there's so many things here that are just super helpful. It's not just brand name clothing and shoes and jewelry and high-end stuff. They have things here that people can use every day. They have the dollar store, they have the grocery store, all kinds of different restaurants, which I guess American malls are doing pretty well. But it's also a good place to get all kinds of your errands done. You could just come here and get everything you need to done. You could go grocery shopping, you could get your hair cut, you could go to the pharmacy. There's a pharmacy in this mall. You could shop for your kids' school stuff because there's a school, there's a toy store and stuff like that. And thriving malls are not just exclusive to Japan. In fact, when I traveled all through Asia, every Asian country that I've seen is thriving when it comes to the mall scene because they add things in that are super useful, unlike the malls in America, where most of them are just brand name clothing. Now, obviously there is some more successful malls in America that are still doing really well, and actually they're starting to add Daisos, the actual Japanese dollar store brand, into malls, at least in California, so that's really cool. See, here's a travel place. You can set up a travel ticket if you want to travel. Travel agency, that's what it's called. Here's a haircut place. That's actually where I get my haircut. It's 10 minutes or less, $10. There's actually also an English school here for kids as well. So while they're in school, you can go grocery shopping, or while you're grocery shopping, they could be at the arcade. Great family setup. You could really do anything you want here. So that's it for my Japanese mall tour, guys. I'm gonna head home. Let me know if you want to know anything more about Japanese malls. I could do a more thorough walkthrough of maybe a bigger one that just has everything you'd ever think of in it. This is a pretty big mall though, but it's not like massive or anything. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.